Hello everyone, my name is András. I come from Hungary and I work as a social worker. Currently my life is whole. I have everything I need, family, friends. This journey came together thanks to a series of coincidences. On the first day when we arrived and the team gathered, I thought, wow, everyone is young and everyone speaks English better than I do. It won't be easy. Widening the generation gap is challenging but not impossible. Being a co-leader among men is also taught, and I find myself unintentionally staying on the outskirts of the group. My curiosity has remained strong over the past 42 years, but I'm not as flexible anymore, and it's harder to get up in the mornings. I constantly receive information and pictures from home. Even though this week is important to me, it's difficult not to be there to hug them. I see things like a new book before bedtime or the first time they use the potty, but I can't experience them. I've grown to love almost everyone, but I miss them dearly. Every day I push myself forward, but honestly, what keeps me going right now is surfing and of course a few glasses of wine in the evenings. But what I know I'll take back with me and you have shown me is the openness. That has been one of my biggest shortcomings. But with this journey, change has begun. So I'm sending everyone a big hug from Santander because expressing this is much harder.